Running out of space in your Ubuntu VM? I'll show you how to safely expand your virtual disk in VMware. No data loss, no complex commands, just simple clicks. Turn off your Ubuntu VM, critical step. Right-click VM, Settings, Hard Disk, 3-click Expand, and enter new size. For me, I will add 20 gigabytes for my 80 gigabytes. Warning, never expand a running VM. It can corrupt data. After that, start your VM and press Super, Windows key, greater than search disk, greater than open the app. Select your main hard disk, click the partition, file system root, tap the gear icon, then click Resize drag slider or Enter size to use all available space. Confirm with Resize button. Now you've got room for more apps and files, like this guide. Subscribe for more Linux/VMware tutorials.